Hi everybody, I am Shahzad. You're watching the shopping channel. Today I am talking about Samsung Galaxy S9 Midnight Black color. I am unboxing it, so let's take its review. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon.
It's a new Samsung Galaxy S9 black color. 3G and 4G LTE sports 147.7, 68.7 and 8.5 mm thickness. 163 gram weight. Front and back glass. Corning Gorilla Glass 5 aluminum frame. Dual SIM, dual SIM standby, hybrid dual SIM. Nano SIM Sport, Samsung Pay Visa Mastercard certified, dust and waterproof. Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, 16 million colors, 5.8 inches display, 570 pixel density, multi-touch, Android 8.0 Oreo, Snapdragon 845 chipset, octa-core 2.7 GHz processor, 64GB internal memory, 4GB RAM, 400GB memory support, 12 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel front camera, geotagging, simultaneous 4K video, touch focus smile detection, auto HDR panorama. Rear mounted fingerprint sensor, iris scanner, accelerometer, gyro, proximity compass, barometer, heart rate, SpO2, fast battery charging, quick charge 2.0, 3000 mAh battery, data cable, hand-free, EKG adapter, USB connector, charging connector, and the accessories. Its price all over the world is $750 US. In Pakistan, its price is 80,000 rupees.